Contrast Corner. Today I'm painting an Imperial Fist. I've given this guy a dry brush base to begin with. This is a video that's been requested so many times I just had to do it. Give it a little tickle. And this time it's a double tickle with Imperial Fist and Gryph-Hound orange. I've actually gone with a 4:1 mix, so 4 parts Imperial Fist to 1 part Gryph-Hound orange. A lot of people would have said we should have started with a pink base, but I think just adding that Gryph-Hound orange in there gives it that nice orange undertone. This episode is sponsored by Wayland Games, and to say thank you, I'm painting their logo in a random speed paint. This week it's Gryph-Hound orange. And don't forget to head on over to Wayland Games for all of your hobby needs. One thing I will say for contrast paints is you shouldn't be scared to mix them to try and find some colours that work for you. Now I think this mix really works. Both of these colours cover well on their own, so it's no surprise that mixing them has turned out nicely. I think it's definitely giving that classic Imperial Fist look. Now we've got the armour done, I'm actually trying something new for the details. I'm mixing Black Legion with Basilicanum Grey. Black Legion contrast is a great paint for coverage, but I do find that sometimes it swamps those highlights that we're trying hard to preserve. If you follow Contrast Corner, you'll know that the idea is just to have a bit of fun when painting, and we're not trying to win any painting competitions. One of my absolute favourites is Gore-Grunta Fur, and it works nicely on the pouch. And another favourite is Flesh Tearers Red. I'm going to use this for the detailing on the gun, and I actually used it on the Aquila but forgot to film it. I'm now going in with Basilicanum Grey on the lighter details on the gun. And of course it has to be Skeleton Horde for the parchment on the purity seal. I'm painting the lenses white, and then I'm going to go in with Karandras Green, which I got tipped off was a great colour for lenses. A little bit of Garaghak sewer on the base always goes down well. I'm going to use a couple of snowy tufts on the base, and I think they work quite nicely. And there we have it. This is what an Imperial Fist looks like, painted completely in contrast paints. If there's a model you'd like to see, drop a comment. And if you found this useful, follow for more, and I'll see you next time on Contrast Corner.